Welcome to my channel Sankhya Tattva. I am Momita Banerjee, numerologist and life coach. In my last video, I have talked about mental plane, which gets completed in your birth chart through 3 numbers, which is 492, and its traits, role, impact on your personality. People who don't know, I am making a series of videos on planes which appear in your birth chart. There are total 8 planes. 3 horizontal, 3 vertical and 2 diagonal. I'm talking about each plane in each video. If you haven't watched those videos, please go and watch. Link is the description box. I'm going to discuss its traits, role, impact on your personality. What happens when this line appears in your birth chart? What does it signify? But before that, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit on the bell icon so that you can be notified on my upcoming videos. And share this video with your friends and families so that everybody can be benefited out of it. So let's talk about emotional plane. What are these 3 numbers? 3 is being ruled by the planet called Jupiter. 5 is being ruled by the planet called Venus. 7 is being ruled by the planet called Ketu. So all these powers of these planets, if they come together in your birth chart, they form a line you can see on your screen. That is the middle line of the Loshu grid. And these people are very, very emotional people. Their hearts rules over their heads. They always give priority to their heart while taking any decision. One more thing, they are very good at heart. I believe who thinks from their heart cannot be bad. These people have golden heart. But where is the problem? The problem is whenever there is a situation or a crisis, they might take decision from the heart and not from head or brain. So due to this, they get hurt, often betrayed by others. I will explain through an example. People with 3 to 5 to 7 in their chart often find themselves in situations where someone has already betrayed or cheated them once or twice. Yet, when that same person returns seeking help or money, they still choose to assist again. Despite knowing the truth, they end up being deceived repeatedly. Simply because they have a kind heart. They find it difficult to say no, and their compassion makes them easily moved by others' pain. That person who is cheating would frame some story or the other and cajole him to help again. Though he knows this cheat is lying, but still, after some time, he would finally agree and give away his money. See, I am not being judgmental about the personality of these 357 people. I am trying to explain the personality trait of these people. What I am trying to explain is, he takes decision from heart. These people are highly emotional. They trust others easily, smile for the smallest reasons, and can get upset just as quickly. They tend to make decisions from the heart rather than the mind. These qualities come with both their strengths and weaknesses. Weakness is that they keep on getting hurt by others, get disappointed often. Marriage sector can be a little question. There are possibility. However, there are other factors also for marriage. But what is strength? They are very good human being, golden heart. So the crux of the matter is people who have 357 in the Loshu grid are very emotional people, good at heart. Additional to this, one very good strength is they will very good at education sector. Research work will be very good. They can be good doctors, good healers. They can do very good in occult, astrology, vastu, reiki. If they take up this kind of profession, then they can do very good. It suits them well. They can pursue IS also, can good there also, but only advice I want to give them is to control the emotion little bit. What you're doing, taking decision, is it from brain or heart? Not that I am saying take decision from brain or take decision from heart, but think about it before committing any. Do mix of both. I will give you a real life example. 29th of July 1953. This is the date of birth for Anup Jalota. See, all these 3 numbers are getting completed. The emotion he brings into bhajan is godly. That's why he is called Bhajan Samrat. But if you see his married life, not very good. You also check if you have these numbers present in your birth chart and comment me if you can relate what I said. That is all for today. In my next video, I will talk about some other plane. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Namaste.